how to link Fortnite account to PS4, PS5, Xbox, Steam, or your Switch. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different steps that will ensure you properly link your Fortnite account to your console or other device. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so if when you open up Fortnite, you see link an account, if you select into this, they'll give you some directions to linking your account. But rather than using this code, there's another way you can do this that'll ensure that your gifts and your V-Bucks actually transfer over to your console. So to get started with linking your Fortnite account, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser on your device and navigate to epicgames.com. Once you get to epicgames.com, go into the top right, select sign in, and then you just want to sign in to your Epic Games account. If in the past you've used Xbox or PlayStation, Steam, any of these to log into your Fortnite account or your Epic Games account, go ahead and sign in with that. Once you get signed in, go up on the top right, select your username, and then go down and select account. This will bring you to your Epic Games account. In the left menu, go down and select apps and accounts. And depending on what device you're trying to log into, Steam, Xbox, the PlayStation Network if you're on a PS4 or PS5, Switch, you're going to want to go to a Nintendo account. So I'm on a PS5, so I'll select Connect. It'll give you some information about what that means. Scroll down and select Connect Account. You'll then have a new window open up where you'll need to go into the process of signing into whatever platform that is. Once you get signed in, it should quickly refresh and then show success. You might have to approve something, but go ahead and do that. Then select continue. It'll bring you back to the apps and accounts screen where then we can see the device we just connected now shows our username under it. Now all we need to do is go back to our console or Steam, Switch, anything like that. And on a PlayStation 5, which is what I'm on, I'm just going to hit the PlayStation button, go back to the home screen, and then I'm going to select the start button on Fortnite and close the app. If you're on another device, you can just reboot the device. And now when I open up Fortnite, it'll log me in and I now have all my skins and my V-Bucks that are associated with my Fortnite account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.